It's day 3 and it's our last day here in Madras. We are leaving in the evening. So now again we are heading to the church and then I'll take you around. This is my look for today. Now we are actually done with the mass and we have just come here for the mass offering for our safe journey. And later on we will be going to get some sweets. The lighting is fluctuating, so please don't mind. Now we are actually going to the library. They have a library here which mostly has all religious books and articles. So let me go ahead and show you around. It's very sunny today. I always love visiting this bookstore whenever I'm here. There's something about browsing through shelves of faith-based books that feels so grounding and calming. Not just that, but you'll get different editions of Bibles, plus stationery products and coloring books, lights, and we also found some very good Bible verse t-shirts as well, which were for like $3.50. I will definitely show you that in this video itself, so keep on watching the video. So we are at Hotel Travidar. This is where we are, and we have called in for chicken egg fried rice, one chicken curry meal, and I have called in for chicken tikka. So we are just waiting for our order and just chit-chatting. Now we are at this ice cream place. We have been eating ice cream here every single day. It is called Raj Ice Cream. Street fresh juice is fresh juice. So in Velankanni, that's what I'm saying. Fresh juice. So we have no idea that milk is there. In Velankanni, people are adding milk, but fresh juice is fresh juice. No milk added, only fresh juice. So you need to make the changes. He is telling you could have. He is telling that you should have told no milk. So we don't know na that milk is added. Take it as a feedback and work on it. Yes, you saw it, and this part was interesting. So we actually went to our usual ice cream spot and we decided to try some fresh pomegranate juice. But then surprise, it came with milk and we were confused because isn't fresh juice just supposed to be fresh juice? So the owner insisted that here in Velankanni they always add milk unless you say otherwise. And I was like, how are we supposed to know that, right? So it turned out into a little back and forth, but honestly we were just trying to help them avoid this confusion with future customers. Okay, we just took some sweets and now we are back in our room. Oh, I'm so sorry, the keys are with me.
Much later.
We are actually leaving, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you the room that we were staying in. This is like a very small room that you get. We paid 2,000 per night or per day for this, and I think it's decent. We were 5 people staying in here. We accommodated because we did not want it to spend more. So this is like a bed that you get. Then we were sleeping here as well. So yeah, so this is a very compact room right here. Okay, so our trip is actually ending and now we have got the AC bus. It is the Lions travel bus that we are in. We have to the upper berth and I think it's quite clean. The upper berth, this is a single one that I took, and we have a space right here to keep your things if you want. And there's a camera. You can also close this curtain right here if you need some privacy. And there's a charging point as well over here if you see it right here, and a phone holder. So I think that is quite convenient. And now we are off to Chennai, Egmore. We have left from Velankanni. Just boarded our train from Chennai Egmore, and just like that our trip came to an end. And I'm always a little emotional saying goodbye to this place, but also very grateful for the time that we have spent here, and also the fact that I'm very grateful that I got a chance, or we got a chance, to go ahead and visit this place. Also, if you have watched all 3 vlogs, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much, and I hope you felt like you were right with me, even though the vlogs were not perfect, but they were real.